Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Xbox Series X and selecting the TV's HDMI input. This gets video and audio output immediately. Once done, connect or sync your controller. Plug in for charging or press the Xbox button to pair wirelessly, which is faster when updating firmware. Make sure you sign into your Xbox account and verify the console is online so system updates and game downloads can proceed automatically. This reduces interruptions and ensures you can access purchased games and cloud saves. Next, install the game. Insert a disc or download from the Microsoft Store or Game Pass. Downloads may queue, so prioritize the title you want to play. Once installed, configure game and console settings, choose the install drive, enable 4K, HDR, and VRR if your display supports them, because these improve visuals and performance. Manage storage by moving or deleting older titles and setting which games use quick resume. This minimizes load times and ensures your most played games are ready to launch instantly. Finally, launch the game and tweak in-game settings like resolution, frame rate mode, and controller bindings to match your preferences. This balances visuals and responsiveness. Use the Xbox Guide for captures, party chat, and performance overlays to monitor frame rate and latency. These tools help diagnose problems mid-session. If things go wrong, reboot the console first, power cycle your router, clear persistent storage cache, then reinstall the game only if necessary. This sequence fixes most crashes and download or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.